video, we're going to talk about 3 ways you can get more reviews in your massage business. First of all, why do we even care about reviews? Reviews help your business appear more credible to the general public, which can result in you getting more clients, making more income, and having a bigger impact on your community. First tip is to send follow-up emails. This is something that you can set up to be automatically sent through most booking softwares. Most softwares will allow you to send different emails to new clients versus returning clients. And in my practice, for my new clients, I have it very clearly on the top of the email that I'm requesting a Google review in particular, and I have a link right there, so it's super easy for people to leave a review. In my emails that I send to returning clients, a little bit more subtle. It's towards the bottom of the email. It's still in there, but I don't want it to be quite as in your face, right? Especially if someone has already left a review. I don't want them to feel like I'm not grateful or I don't know that they've left a review. That's my first tip. Send a follow-up email. This is also a great way to give your clients useful resources, anything that will complement the service that you offer. It's a nice personal touch on your client experience. Tip number 2 is to have a QR code available in your office space. I just went ahead and went on Canva and made a nice looking sign with a couple graphics and a custom QR code, framed it and put it in my treatment room next to the mirror where I know that people are going to be standing and sort of looking around, so it's super obvious. And even if a client doesn't scan the code right then and leave a review, or leave the tab open to leave a review later in the day, it sort of plants the seed in their mind that this is something that I'm requesting and I would love for them to do. When they receive their follow-up email later in the day or the following day, I have it set up so that it sends 24 hours after their appointment, so the following day, that seed has been planted. So when they see the request for a review again, they're more likely to leave a review at that time. Number 3 is probably the most simple, but for some people could be a little bit uncomfortable. And that is to simply ask, especially if there's a new client who's particularly pleased with the service that you've provided. Just simply ask. And if that feels a little bit forward to you, or that might make you feel uncomfortable, another way to do this is to use social media. So every once in a while I will post a story that says, hey, if you're a client of mine, if you've seen me and you enjoyed your service, please consider leaving me a review on Google, and include a link there as well. So it's super easy. Whenever possible, you want to reduce friction in your business for things that you want your clients to do. Those are my 3 tips for getting more reviews in your massage business. If you have any questions about massage business, about web design for your massage business, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know what you want to know so that I can answer you and better serve you in your business. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Abby here at Mosaic Massage, and I'll see you next time.